Hello and welcome to this Zbrush tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you that how can you use this group visible item here to make group into your scene. So for this you need to press Ctrl Shift key on your keyboard, press the left mouse button of your mouse, drag it down and move it toward right. We got this two smaller strips right here. Now if I click on group visible, so everything is visible to us will be grouped. Means if I click on group this, or you can also press Ctrl W to group. So if I want to look my hidden portion again, I need to press Ctrl Shift on your keyboard and click on the empty screen with your left mouse button. Then we will see that our group is created. Now if I want to create some another group right here, so press Ctrl Shift, drag down and Ctrl W. we, uh, we can see that our group is created, or we can also create it here. And now press Ctrl Shift, press on empty screen to see the hidden spaces. So this is the key and how you can make this group. So please subscribe my channel and also hit the like button and share it. I will upload the tutorials on the Zbrush software on this channel. So hope you like it. Thank you.